Welcome once again to this channel. Let's make egg buns. So to start with, we'll be making use of all-purpose flour. So I added in 2 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl, a quarter cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can decide to use nutmeg if you have, but what I have is cinnamon, and that's what I'm going to be making use of. I added in 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I mixed everything together. So when I'm done mixing it, the next thing I'm supposed to add now is to combine my butter. But it's to keep my mind, that's why I'm adding water first. So I'm going to mix this when I remember. So I paused and I went ahead to add in the butter. Yeah, it's still not late. It's just that I'm supposed to add it before adding the water. So here is my butter now. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of butter. So I mixed everything together until it is thoroughly combined, just like you see me do. Now my dough is ready, so I'm going to set this aside for a few minutes and I'm going to put my egg on fire. So if you're making 4 egg buns, all you need is to cut your dough into 4, just like I did. But if you're making 6 egg roll, then you have to make sure you're boiling 6 eggs and your dough is also divided into 6. So for it not to stick in my pan, or for it not to stick on my palm, I added some vegetable oil to my palm, just like you can see. And after that, I went ahead to start rolling my eggs and my egg, and I placed my egg in the middle rather, and I started rolling the dough around my egg, just like you can see that way. So here you have to make sure you properly seal it so that your egg roll doesn't fall apart or break while you're frying. So I rolled it thoroughly, and here is it on fire. So you have to put enough vegetable oil on fire and make sure it is placed under low heat so that your egg buns doesn't turn brown before it is fully ready. So now here is the second. So I just removed the second batch from fire. Guys, look at it. It looks really beautiful. So at this point, our egg roll or egg buns is ready. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this into 2 so we can see the middle. So look at what we have. Until next time, I love you all. Bye.